Assalamualaikum. Standard 5, Subject English, Unit 1, Talking about Things. Page number 12. Look at the pictures and frame at least 3 sentences for each of these words. तस्वीरें देखिए और नीचे दिए हुए हर लफ्ज से कम 3 जुमले बनाइए। इन, ऑन, अंडर, नियर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिहाइंड। द लेडी इज सिटिंग ऑन द मैट। द लेडी इज सिटिंग ऑन द मैट। एन एप्पल्स आर in the basket. And apples are in the basket. Pumpkin is kept in front of lady. Pumpkin is kept in front of lady. The cow is under the tree. The cow is under the tree. The mountains are behind the house. The mountains are behind the house. The girl is sliding on the slide. The girl is sliding on the slide. The scale is in the book. The scale is in the book. Clock is near the book. Clock is near the book. Spectacles is kept on the book. Spectacles is kept on the book. So many fishes are there in the fish tank. So many fishes are there in the fish tank. The cat is sitting in front of fish tank. The cat is sitting in front of fish tank. The doll is on the fish tank. The doll is on the fish tank. Thank you.